Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Robinhood. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in robinhood.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Robinhood website. Now from this page, click on the login button at the top right corner to end up within the login portal. Now, once you're inside the login portal, click on Forgot Your Password underneath the password box to reset your password. You will then be asked to enter your email address. Simply type your email address that you used to sign up for your account and click on Send Email. Then simply check your inbox. Just open up the email that you receive and you will find the Reset Password button. Go ahead and click on it. And now you will be allowed to create a new password for your account. Go ahead and type in your desired new password and then type it in once again to confirm it. Finally, click on the Reset Password button and now your password has successfully been updated. You can click on the Login button to get back into the login portal and use your new password to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Robinhood. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.